Hello everyone, I am Harshith from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am here to present the topic One-Way ANOVA. First, let me see the introduction to One-Way ANOVA. One-Way ANOVA or analysis of variance is a statistical method used to compare the means of three or more independent groups. It helps determine whether there are statistically significant differences between the group. This method is commonly used in research and experimental studies to draw meaningful conclusions from the data. So what is the definition and purpose of one-way ANOVA? One-way ANOVA or analysis of variance is a statistical method used to compare means of three or more independent groups. It helps determine if there are any statistically significant difference between the means of these groups. The purpose of conducting one-way ANOVA is to understand whether there are differences in group means and to identify which group differ from others, providing insight into relationships between variables. So what are the assumptions of one-way ANOVA? There are three assumptions: homogeneity of variances, normality, and independence. Homogeneity of variances. The variances of the different groups being compared should be approximately equal. Normality. The data within each group should be normally distributed. Independence. Observation within and between groups should be independent of each other. So this is about the F-test and its interpretation. So first is to calculate the variance. The F-test involves calculating the variance between group means and within groups. And second is compute the F-ratio. Once the variances are calculated, the F-ratio is computed by dividing the within group variance by the within group variance. Third one is to compare with critical value. The F-ratio is compared with a critical value from the F distribution to determine whether the group means are significantly different. Steps to perform one-way ANOVA. Data collection, calculate variability, perform ANOVA test. Data collection is to gather data from different groups or treatments under study. Calculate variability. It's to access the variation within each group and the variance between groups. Perform ANOVA test. It uses statistical software to conduct the one-way ANOVA test. Interpreting the results of one-way ANOVA. F statistics, p-value, effective size, and post-hoc analysis. The F statistic, it measures the variation between group means and within group means. P-value. The p-value indicates the significance of the differences between group means. Effect size. It measures the strength of the relationship between the groups. Post-hoc analysis provide comparisons between specific groups to identify differences. So here are some real-world applications of one-way ANOVA. That is medical research, agricultural experiments, and manufacturing quality control. Medical research is one-way ANOVA used in medical studies to compare the effects of different treatments on patient outcomes, providing valuable insights for evidence-based medicine. Agricultural experiments. In agricultural research, one-way ANOVA helps assess the impact of various fertilizers or growing conditions on group yield and quality, informing farming practices. Manufacturing quality control. Industries use one-way ANOVA to analyze the consistency of product attributes across different production lines, ensuring high quality standards. Three key insights summarize main findings, 5 recommendations, suggestions for future research, and 2K impact, exploring the practical implications. So thank you for watching this video.